Split DG Series Access Keypad with Proximity Reader. Wiring diagram. 2-door lock control. Relay to doorbell output. Enter and exit programming mode. Enter master code twice. Beep and LED illuminates yellow to enter programming mode. Program any settings. Keypad exits programming mode automatically if no settings are entered within 30 seconds. Press hashtag key to exit programming mode. Set digit code length. Enter programming mode. Press asterisk key in 904. And to select 4 to 6. After the keypad sounds 7 beeps, setting succeeds. Press hashtag key to exit programming mode. Master code has been changed to 123456. Change master code. Enter programming mode. Press asterisk key in 3. And then 6-digit new master code twice. Press hashtag key to exit programming mode. The old master code 123456 is invalid. Master code has been changed to 081356. Reset master code to default value. First turn off power. Press hashtag key continuously and turn on power. Keypad sounds 1 beep. Master code is reset to default value. To set master code to default value. In programming mode, press asterisk key in 899. One beep and master code is reset to default value. Master code is reset to default value. Add a master card. Enter programming mode. Press asterisk key in 7 and read a new card to set as a master card. Press hashtag key to exit programming mode. Read the master card to enter programming mode. Read the master card to exit programming mode. Add user card and PIN code. Enter programming mode. Demonstrate adding the 4 user cards. Enter 000 to 999 slot position code. Red LED indicates the slot position is not available. Press asterisk key twice and LED turns green indicating the card is deleted. Read the 001 card. Enter 4-digit code. Next slot position. Green light indicates the slot position is available. Read the 002 card. Enter 4-digit code. Repeat. Finish and exit. Succeed. Default setting, card or PIN. Setting access mode, card and PIN. Enter programming mode. Press asterisk key in 0, then 02. Enter 1111 for 001 card. Enter 2, 2, 2, 2 for 0, 2 card. Enter 4 for 3 card invalid. Delete user card and PIN code. Enter programming mode. For example, to delete the 001 slot position, press asterisk key twice and LED turns green indicating the card is deleted. 001 card has been deleted. Add user card or PIN code. Enter programming mode. Press asterisk key and 4, then enter 00 to 09 slot position code. Read the user card. Press 02 slot position code. Enter 2222 PIN code. Press hashtag key to exit programming mode. Succeed. Wrong code lockout. If a wrong code is entered or an invalid card is swiped 5 consecutive times, the keypad will go into lockout for 1 minute. During this time, no codes can be entered and no card can be swiped. Set relay 1 strike time. Enter programming mode. Press asterisk key and 1, then enter 01 to 99. Anti-tailgate function. Door opens for 7 seconds and then closes. Door locks automatically and more 13 seconds time delay is cancelled. This can prevent tailgating. Set relay 2 strike time. Enter programming mode. Press star 5 and then enter 0, 1 to 9, 9. Enter 00 to set latch mode. Press the PIN code to open the door. Press the PIN code once again to close the door. Set doorbell output. Relay to doorbell diagram. Enter programming mode. Press asterisk key in 2, then enter 02. Press asterisk key to activate doorbell. Delete all user cards and pins. Enter programming mode. Press asterisk key in 888. After the keypad sounds 7 beeps, delete all user cards and pins. Delete all user cards and pins. It will not affect the master card or any other saved data. Reset to default value. In programming mode, press asterisk key in 899. 1 beep and keypad is reset to default value. Master card has been deleted. Doorbell function has been deleted. Anti-tamper alarm function. Keypad and controller wires are removed. Tamp contact triggers alarm system. Record user information for future management.